Guys, today we're just going to go over your papers for Thursday and Friday real quick. We kind of combine those together because tomorrow, Friday, is Good Friday. So we just put all your work together in one video, and I won't take long. A lot of this you already know how to do, so I'm just going to kind of go over the instructions a little bit. On this top part of your phonics page, which is page 195, you're just going to mark your vowels. So remember, if you have one vowel, you'll mark that vowel with a smiley face. Two vowels, the first vowel says it's long sound, so you'll put the long symbol over it. And the second vowel is silent, so you'll slash it. All right, down here where you see these colored ovals, we've done a lot of these in class. You're just looking for the missing letter. You're going to try both of these letters in the space, and whichever one makes a real word, you're going to bubble in. So you'll do that on this section, okay? Now, down at the bottom, the directions say to match the pictures that have the same special sound. So let me go over what each one of these pictures is so that you can match them. So this was thumb and 30. So they drew a line from the thumb to the 30 because they both started with the. Okay? Then you have shoe, chin, bread, church, bridge, ship. So you'll match the picture on top with the picture on bottom that begins with the same special sound. On the back of this paper, all you're doing is you're reading each direction, so you have to read the sentence, then you have to do what the sentence tells you to do, all the way down to the bottom. So you'll read each one of these sentences. So the first sentence says, make tires on the truck. So I would have had to have read the sentence, make tires on the truck. And then once I read it, I know what to do. Then I'll make the tires on the truck. So you'll read each one of these sentences and it'll tell you what to do on the rest of the paper to the truck. Okay? Now on this paper, right up here where you see the little animals in the tree stumps, it just says write the number that comes before. So like here's a blank and you have the number 78. You're going to write the number that comes before 78 in the little tree trunk. You'll do the same thing for 31 and the same thing for 60. Down here it says to write the number. So you have to read. Remember how we practiced the numbers that were spelled out? You would read the number, and then after you read it, you'll write that number in the blank. So you'll do that for each one of these numbers. Down here, you're just adding, and we've done that a lot, so you'll just add on this section. Down here, it says to circle 35 cents. So you need to look at what is the coin. Is it a nickel, dime, quarter, or penny? What do you count by? And once you figure that out, you'll need to circle enough money to make 35 cents. All right, on the back, this is just some coloring. Basically, you have a key or a legend up here. So it tells you everywhere you see a square in this picture, you're gonna color it blue. Everywhere you see a triangle, you'll color it yellow. Everywhere you see a rectangle, you'll color it red, and so forth until you've colored each one of the pictures. Now on the bottom is your oral evaluation, just like we would have done in class. So remember, I want you to do this completely by yourself, meaning I don't want mom or dad or anybody to tell you the answer. I want you to do it by yourself. So on the top section, it's easy. We're going to add. And then on the bottom section here, it says give the before and after numbers. So they're going to give you a number in the middle. You're going to write the one that comes before. So the one that comes before 80, then the one that comes after 80. The number that comes before 37, then you'll write the number that comes after 37. Then you'll write the number that comes before 54, and you'll write the number that comes after 54, okay? And then this part, we need to have mom or dad take a picture of and send to me because this is your graded part, okay? Now you have one more graded paper today, and it looks like this. Skip this part up here where it says write the blend that your teacher says, because I have no books with me right now, so we're just going to skip that part. I'll give you the points for it. But I do want you to do this bottom part. So right here it says fill in the bubble or the circle beside the special sound that completes each word. Okay, so this looks like a special sound that's missing from the beginning. So you're going to figure out which one of these special sounds, the picture, which this is a plane, which one plane starts with, and you're going to bubble it in. Here you're going to bubble in the special sound that shell starts with. And then here you're going to bubble in the special sound that smile starts with. Okay? And then you've got one more section down at the bottom. It says to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. So this is where you don't look in your B-book. You're going to see how many special sounds you can find. You're going to circle them. Then you're going to mark all of your vowels. Okay? And then Mom or Dad will take a picture of this and send this to me. Okay? I love you all, and I pray that you have just a really awesome Easter and a really awesome break. And I'm really proud of you guys for all of the work that you're doing. And just keep up the good work. And again, like I always say, you can call me if you need anything. I miss you guys so much. And just keep learning and growing. You're doing great. All right. Bye, friends.